Hello beta, today we will solve few questions on surface area and volume. First question is, a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. We will find total surface area of cone and surface area of hemisphere separately, and then we will add the two to get the total surface area. Now radius is same for both the shapes. R is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Height of cone, total height is 15, and if you subtract the radius or height of the hemisphere, you will get the height of the cone. 15.5 minus 3.5, 12 centimeters. This is the height of the cone. Now for surface area of the cone, we must know slant height. Slant height is given by r square plus h square. R is 3.5, you can write it 7 by 2. 7 by 2 square is 49 by 4 plus 12 square 144, which will be, if you solve this, you will get 625 by 4, and L root of 625 by 4 will be 25 by 2 centimeter. This is our slant height. Now you can find out curved surface area of cone, which is equal to pi r L. You can substitute the values. 22 by 7, r is 7 by 2, L is 25 by 2. Reduce them, you will get this. ये आपके पास ये आ गया. This will be multiply करिए 275 by 2 centimeter square. Now we want to know curved surface area of hemisphere, which is equal to 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Again it will be 2 pi r square, 7 by 2, 7 by 2. Reduce it, it is 77 centimeter square. Total surface area of the toy will be pi rl plus pi r, 2 pi r square. This is 275 by 2 plus 77 by 1, which is equal to, you can calculate it, it will come out 429 by 2 centimeter square, and convert it into decimal or mixed fraction, 214.5 centimeter square. This is the surface area of the toy, total surface area of the toy. That's all. Anji beta, question number 2 is, water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with the speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeters of standing water is needed? So we will consider canal as a cuboid of length. लेंथ बेटा जो स्पीड का लेंथ वाला यूनिट होता है, लेंथ पार्ट होता है 10 किलोमीटर, वी विल टेक इट्स द लेंथ ऑफ द cuboid. then the volume will be the volume of water collected in 1 hour. So here the width is 6 meter. Depth means it is our height of the cuboid, which is 1.5 meter, and length we will convert it into meter. This is 10,000 meter. The volume of water collected in 1 hour will be L into B into H, which will be, we will multiply this into 1.5 into 6. This is meter cube, 90,000 meter cube. Now this water is to be collected in a field. We want to know the area of the field. Field is again a cuboid of length into breadth into height hota hai, but length into breadth you can take it as area, and height is 8 centimeters. Now this will be the volume of water which will go into the field. Volume of water in the field will be, we want to know the water in 30 minutes. This was water collected in 1 hour. So volume of water in the field in 30 minutes will be, इसको आधा कर दीजिए, this was in 1 hour, तो divide it by 2, 45,000 meter cube. Therefore, area of field into height is equal to 45,000 meter cube. Height is 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters standing water is required, which is 8 by 100 meter. Unit should be same. Therefore, area of field into height 8 by 100 is equal to 45,000 meter cube. So area will be 45,000 into 100 upon 8. इसको reduce कर दीजिए, you will get, multiply करिए, divide करिए 8 से, जैसे भी cancel करके, this will come out 562,500 meter square. This is area, so it will be in square. You can convert it into hectares also. 10,000 meter square is hectare, so this will be 56.25 hectare. 10,000 meter square is equal to 1 hectare. That's all. Next question number 3 is, a building is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by a hemispherical dome. The base diameter of the dome is equal to the 2/3 of the height of the building. Find the height of the building if it contains 67 1 by 21 meter cube of air. The volume is given to us, volume of the building. Now, let the radius be r, height of the cylindrical portion is h, and total height of the building is small h, as it is clear from the figure. Now, it is given diameter is equal to 2/3 of the height of the building. Diameter is 2r is equal to diameter is 2r is equal to 2 by 3h. So radius will be h by 3. H is the total height of the building. H, height of the building. And capital H, height of the cylindrical part. Cylindrical part. Now, capital H is equal to H minus R. H minus R means H minus H upon 3, which is equal to 2H by 3. This we will use in the formula, 2H by 3. Now, volume of the building, volume of the air. Volume of the building will be volume of the air present in it. Present in it. Volume of the building will be 2 by 3 pi r cube plus pi r square. This is H, capital H. This is the height of the cylindrical part, which is equal to 67 1 by 21. This will come out 1408 by 21 meter cube. Now you substitute the values. You can take 2 by 3 pi. You can take pi r square common. Pi r square, it is 2 by 3 r plus capital H, 1408 upon 21. Pi is 22 by 7. R square will be, R is H by 3. R square will be H square by 9. 2 by 3, R is H by 3 plus capital H. Capital H was 2H by 3. 2H by 3. It is equal to 1408 upon 21. After simplifying, 22H square by 63. This is 2H upon 9 plus 2H upon 3 is equal to 1408 upon 21. This will come out 22 upon 63 H square into, इसको आपने सिंप्लीफाई कर लिया, it will come 8H upon 9. Again it is equal to 1408 upon 21. So let it be H cube this side, take all the terms to the right hand side. 1408 upon 21 into 63 into 9 upon 22 into 8. H cube will come out. You will reduce it. You will get it 216 meter cube. So H will be cube root of this 6 meters. So height of the building will be 6 meters. That's all.